Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car, and we're looking at a 1963 Chevy Corvair, and the car belongs to Carl, but Carl didn't want to get on the camera. Something about he's in witness protection program, but also there was a couple of incidents that I'm not supposed to talk about. Wanted by the law. He stepped across the line, but we aren't going to go into that. But I just wanted to shoot this car because it's pretty cool. And Jay Leno has a Corvair that, if you want to see a cool Corvair, you can watch that video. But so Carl was telling me he bought this car a couple of years ago from a gentleman that restores them up in Nebraska. And this is the second Corvair he's owned, but he said he's just doesn't really like being on camera, doesn't like talking about it. What really drew me to it was Barry Goldwater bumper sticker. And if you don't know who Barry Goldwater was, it's worth looking into. If he was a unique man from Arizona, but just a cool car. And unfortunately, there was a guy that came out, talked about how unsafe these were, and killed him. But this is a Corvair Monza. There you can see the badging. The dash, I've got a 61 Chevy pickup truck, very similar dash with the two humps. So the 60 through 62, 60, 61, 62 dash on the Chevy C10 truck was very, very similar. But just a cool vehicle with the vented deck lid, and because that was the rear engine. Really an amazing. Ralph Nader, I couldn't think of his name. Ralph Nader was the SOB that ruined it for the...
Unsafe at any speed.
Yeah.
That's the name of the book.
Yeah. Yeah, as Carl just said. Now he's on the camera and he's talking. Suddenly he's coming out of his shell.
Yeah, it was that water.
But Ralph Nader, unsafe at any speed. So he's the one that killed the Corvair. So just another edition of The Story Behind the Car, but just a cool car. Not everybody wants to get on camera. Not everyone wants to talk. I didn't even know this.
Go to hell, Nader.
Okay, there we go. So the license plate stands for Go to Hell, Nader. Very appropriate, Carl. So anyway, not everybody wants to go on camera and talk. Some people just don't like the hassle. Some people don't like the way they sound, but still was a cool car, and I wanted to shoot it and got a little bit of input from Carl. So thank you, Carl, and thank you all so much.